must be a Mario. He takes racing too seriously.
He takes everything too seriously.
Don't you want to marry me? Come on, it will be great.
Why, of course I do.
We're leaving this place and we're getting married somewhere else.
Many months later.
Leave my mama alone, you bad man. I won't let you take Mama Peach away. Mama? Mama Peach? I'm your mama?